Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, once again coming at you from my little bathroom here. And if you missed my DIY upcycled renter-friendly bathroom makeover, I will link it down below for you. But you know what? Do not leave yet. Check that out after this video, because today we're finally going to test out one of my awesome Thriftmas gifts, this amazing vintage hairdryer, and it's like from the 50s, I think, maybe 60s, 50s, 60s, around there. And yeah, we're gonna finally remake that photo of little Refashionista Sheri using her grandma's hairdryer. But before that, this is going to be a 2-for-1 because we're going to test out these curlers with this hairdryer. So you know what? Let's go stick these in my hair. So I was given 2 packages of these heatless curling pods by someone who just got them and didn't want them. And as you know, I am constantly trying to figure out how I can style my unruly Irish hair. And yeah, hopefully these are going to help. But let's just take this off. And there you go. There is my hair. It is a little bit wetter than damp, but you can see I definitely have some waves, and underneath I always have, it's more curly than wavy. There's straight parts, curly parts, wavy parts, and apparently that's called Irish hair, which I guess makes sense because I got Irish roots somewhere mixed up with all the other stuff that, you know, Canadians have in them. Anyway, so to use these, apparently you just kind of pop them. I guess that's why they're called pods. I don't know. So it looks like this. Lovely. Pop it out and you roll your hair up in it and then pop it around. So I have a bunch of different sizes. I'm just going to separate my hair first because I got a lot of hair. And put that up there. And now I'm just gonna comb out a piece here. And I don't know, should we use maybe all the same size? I'm not sure. But I'm gonna take this like so and wrap it around as it says, and then just put it all the way up to my head here and see if it's actually even going to hold. I don't know. Maybe I put too much hair in it. And then pop that around. Well, that doesn't look great, but you know what? I'm going to go try to do the rest of my head and we'll be right back. Okay, it feels like every time I move, these kind of unroll a little bit. So again, I don't know if I've put too much hair, not enough hair, I don't know. But let's go get the blow dryer all hooked up and ready to go before these fall out of my hair completely. So I have the duvet cover on that matches the little Sheri vintage picture, and I have the vintage hair dryer all hooked up. It is plugged in, but I haven't tested it yet. So let's do that right now. See, there is definitely air coming out, so it is now time to put this on my head and recreate that photo. This is incredibly loud. Oh, this is not comfortable. It's like a jet aircraft in my brain. Okay, video is shot, pictures are shot, and I was just about to put this away in the original box it came in, and I noticed, you see that there? A little piece of paper. And when I picked it up, look at that. Look at that. It seems to be the original price. So it looks like it was originally $15, and then whoever got it on sale for $7.99. What a steal of a deal. Okay, so clearly this was not a success. Look, this one is actually going to drop. Yep, there we go. They're just all falling out of my hair. And yeah, I personally don't think I'm going to use that blow dryer because that was really scary. But yeah, I don't have the patience to sit and wait for these to dry. My hair is still more than damp wet here. And yeah, I'm just going to take them out because they're quite annoying. So I guess I don't recommend these. They really didn't work in my hair at all. And they just kept unrolling. And you see, I didn't even have a lot of hair in them at all. So, oh well. These curl pods are definitely a fail for me, but if you want to give them a try, why not? Actually, let me know if you want these, because I have 2 packs of them. So let's do a giveaway, right? Because I'm not going to use them. So let me know down below if you want these, and maybe I'll send them to you. I don't know. Anyway, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Now I gotta go and try to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair today.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.